Yogurt masala marinated chicken skewers with tomato salad. To make the yogurt masala, place the yogurt in a bowl. Add garam masala, turmeric, curry leaves and oil. Whisk until well combined. You'll need some of the yogurt mixture for serving, so transfer about 1/3 of the mixture into a small bowl. Cover and store in the fridge. Then add the chicken to the rest of the yogurt masala. Stir to coat. Cover and place in the fridge for 20 minutes to develop the flavours. If you have more time, you can leave it in the fridge for up to 6 hours. Pre-soak the skewers in cold water for 15 minutes. This will help stop the skewers from burning when cooking. Thread the chicken onto the soaked bamboo skewers. Then char grill for 10 minutes or until lightly charred and cooked through. To make the tomato salad, place the tomato, cucumber, onion, curry leaves and oil in a bowl. Season with salt and stir to combine. Serve the chicken with rice, tomato salad and lemon wedges. Drizzle with the reserved yogurt masala. That's it, a tasty midweek meal the whole family will enjoy.